Kepala Komando Pusat Amerika Serikat Laksamana Brad Cooper terlibat adu mulut panas dengan anggota DPR Amerika Serikat saat rapat Kongres membahas perang melawan Iran. Ketegangan muncul ketika anggota Kongres dari Partai Demokrat Seth Moulton mempertanyakan efektivitas operasi militer Amerika Serikat dalam konflik tersebut.
Congressman, to reiterate, the United States does not deliberately target
Got that part.
Period. Full stop. And nor are the Iranian people our enemy. The IRGC is the adversary in this case.
I heard that in your opening statement, Admiral. I asked you a very specific question, and I'm curious what the answer is.
So the investigation is ongoing. As soon as it is complete, I'm happy to be as
So that's a
transparent as
no.
possible.
We will not take responsibility
and
for something we very obviously did.
Dalam sidang yang berlangsung Selasa 19 Mei 2026, Moulton menilai situasi perang justru menunjukkan Amerika Serikat berada di posisi yang merugikan. Mantan personel Korps Marinir Amerika Serikat itu menyoroti belum adanya kesepakatan nuklir maupun pembukaan kembali Selat Hormuz sejak perang pecah. Ia juga menyebut operasi militer terhadap Iran sejak 28 Februari lalu tidak menunjukkan perkembangan yang baik. Moulton bahkan mempertanyakan berapa banyak lagi warga Amerika yang harus menjadi korban akibat keputusan perang tersebut. Pernyataan itu langsung memicu reaksi keras dari Brad Cooper yang selama ini dikenal tenang dalam berbagai forum militer. Dengan nada tegas, Cooper menyebut komentar anggota Kongres tersebut sebagai pernyataan yang sepenuhnya tidak pantas. Sebelumnya, Cooper mengeklaim militer Amerika Serikat telah berhasil mencapai seluruh target operasi dalam perang melawan Iran. Meski gencatan senjata masih berlangsung sejak 8 April, perdebatan sengit di Kongres menunjukkan konflik Iran masih memicu ketegangan politik besar di Amerika Serikat.
With all due
It's not a
respect,
statement, it's a question.
Sure, not recognized gentleman from Tennessee.
With all due respect.
Let me ask too, since the conflict has begun, how many drones and missiles has Iran launched? And how many of those have targeted civilian sites? And can you give us some examples of the civilian targets that have been struck by those drones and missiles?
Yeah, Congressman, I think the specific number of drones and missiles are best addressed in a classified forum, which follows this. I'll talk about there. But what I can say here is Iran
Can you just give us orders of magnitude, hundreds, thousands?
thousands.
Okay.
What I can say here is Iran deliberately targeted civilians in the Middle East at least 1,000 times. We've seen many of this play out on TV. Restaurants in Bahrain, restaurants in neighborhoods in UAE, the same thing in Kuwait and Saudi Arabia. We saw before our very eyes on TV, you saw it yourself, cluster munitions going off over Tel Aviv, targeting civilians. It was crystal clear.
Correctly follow